Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing some crochet locks, and the hair I'm using today is the model glance braid 3x Jamaican locks in 20 inches. This is very similar hair to the Bobbi Boss no locks, which comes in 18 inches. For this style I used a little less than 3 bags in the color 1B. And do enjoy the video as I get started, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. And so, as the video title says, I'll be doing a crochet install today using the model Jamaican Locs hair in 20 inches. This is the hair. I do have 3 bags of this right now. I did make a video, a show and tell video of this hair in July, which was last month, at a new month, and I'll be using this hair today. I do have my hair braided down already. I'll be doing some regular cornrows and a few individuals in the front. I think I have let me see, I have 14 individual braids up front here, so this will be for my individuals. This is the hair. It's pretty much the same hair as the Bobbi Boss no locks hair. So let's get right into it and not make this video long. A bag of hair comes with 30 locks. So right here now, this is 30 locks in here in 20 inches. So 3 bags that I have right here now, totals 90 locks. And also I do have 1/3 of a bag here, because I'd use some of the hair on the client. I have 1/3 of a bag here, so this is 10 locks in here. 3 bags, 90 locks plus this 10, that will be 100 locks, which is more than enough for me because I do not want a lot of hair on my head. So before I get started, let me quickly oil my scalp. Today I'm using Miracle Drops Kaleidoscope. Droppers don't work for me, so I put this aside. Oil on my hand. Why I love this hair so much is that a little goes a long way. Goodness, the hair is so, yep, it's already running. This hair is like okay, yeah, that's too much oil, too much oil. So let me just get started. Hair comes with a loop, so let me just randomly stick this in. This is like the easiest path actually, so I'm just gonna quickly do all of this and come back and show you how I do the front, which is actually the most important part. So keep watching. And now I do have 1 bag of earring. This is what 1 bag looks like. See, show you the back. I'm just move on now and open the second bag and continue. I have a feeling I'm not gonna use up all 3 bags, which is all the better. And so this is how far 2 bags has taken me. 2 bags, let me show you. 2 bags. This is 60 locks, and this is approximately 3 bags of the Bobbi Boss no locks. If that was the hair I was using, yes. Bobbi Boss no locks not be 20 locks in a bag, so 3 bags will be 60. I'm really being particular about how much hair I jam on my head because I'm going to Vegas for the next week, and one thing is you don't want a lot of hair when you're in Vegas because God, it can be hot in that place. So I'm really being careful. So I'm gonna go on to my 3rd bag now. You know, I said I was starting off with 100 locks. I have 60 locks in here now. This is the 3rd bag with with 30 locks, and this is the 1/3 of a bag. I think I'm gonna open this one first because I have just 1 cornrow to do here. Yeah, I have 1 row to do here. I'm gonna do that last row with these 10 pieces of hair I have in here. Then I would open the 3rd bag of hair for my front. Altogether, yep, it's way less than 3 bags of hair, and that's exciting me. I also found this colored bits of hair left over. This one is the Bobbi Boss no locks actually, in some highlight colors, so I'm gonna just find a way to like stick it in, and it's gonna be cute. And this is the last one. Yippee! Remember, this blonde one here is the Bobbi Boss No Locks. As it were, I actually do prefer this Jamaican lock hair to this No Lock hair because the locks are thicker. The model Jamaican locks, yeah, this black one I got on, the locks are thicker than your average No Locks. The No Lock I noticed comes with like pieces in different sizes. Like this one I'm holding on my right hand here is kind of thick. This one is slightly smaller. So if you're not careful, these No Locks one can really do mess up your individuals. But with these Jamaican locks, the fact that the locks are thicker makes it better for individuals in that it will hold your hair in very well. So let me just finish this. And yep, there it is. All of my hair is in now. I like it. I thought I was gonna like it. Super lightweight. In total, how many locks do I have in here? I started with 100 locks. 100 locks. 100 locks. I have this much hair left. This is two-thirds of the third bag of hair. So this is 20 locks in here. There was 90 and then 100. So altogether I have 80 locks in. No, 80 black locks and 1 2 3 4 of these highlights. So I have 84 locks in my head altogether, and it's just so perfect. No locks, no more No Locks for me, because this one is actually better. Easy, lightweight, thicker, comes with more hair, it's longer. Why will I not love this hair? So ouch. So really, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. If you have questions, you might want to leave a comment, or just leave your question in the comments. And thank you so much for watching the video, and thank you. I'm really feeling myself already.